Is it a gun? I think it's a gun. Right, so we've made it to Ingkumham Waterfalls. Got ourselves a tour guide. So the road going down is closed, so you have to take an alternative route. It's 50 pesos entrance.
You live in England or
yes.
The other?
Yeah, I live in England, yeah, but we're currently travelling. So we are going around the world for a year.
What do you do in England?
I'm an engineer.
And your girlfriend?
She is a website developer. So in wet season it's a lot heavier. In rainy season,
yeah, it's too much water. Like this, the water.
Yeah, yeah.
But now it's shallow here.
Yeah. So what, you can walk all the way up?
Yeah, yeah.
So you're saying because it's cold, because it's dry season, it's not much. Cold. It's not much water at the moment. So Katie's a bit uneasy about the guide, just because we're following a random person, which I guess you've got to be careful, but also you've got to be a bit trusting, you know, and sometimes you just got to try and accept for what it is. So, waterfall 1, down.
So, first waterfall we went to, a man stopped us on the road and said, "Are you trying to get to this waterfall?" We said yes. He said, "Oh, you can't go down there, the road's closed." So then he said, "Follow me." So Ryan followed him down some side road, stopped us on a random man's house. He made us pay him 50 pesos and then walk with him down some really steep steps to the waterfall. And he said he's a guide. By the time we'd already got pretty much to the waterfall, he said he's a guide and you need to pay him. However much you want to pay him, it's up to you, but usually around 300 to 400 pesos. He can take you to some hidden waterfalls, ones that you can't possibly find on the map. So we did that waterfall, we paid him, we left.
This way with the bike? Take this? Walk that down there. Park that there. Thank you.
And now we've come to another waterfall, driven down the road, managed to find it, and some old man on a bike has followed us all the way down here, so I imagine he's about to do the same again. Tell us we need a guide.
Which was in the no? Because you don't really. Yeah. And am I right in saying you can get to the hidden waterfall from here, yeah?
There are 2 falls are there.
The
2
waterfall.
falls,
2, yeah.
No, this side.
Yeah, and the hidden, what, the secret waterfall? Hidden waterfall?
What?
Hidden waterfall?
Hidden.
Yeah.
Yeah, this. Go.
Up.
In the... Baba, say. Cannot understand.
Yeah. Yeah, so what, go up? Go, so just...
Walk. There are 2 falls are there.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. After you. So heading down, it's quite hard to find. So you come up to the signpost, and you just walk out into what looks like kind of like a farm, little kind of tiny rural living area, and then you follow this track And actually I'm starting to hear some kind of water movement. Got a few locals, so you can always ask them where to go. He actually got asked by some little kid, spoke very good English, and directed us down this way. It's just very warm. This is waterfall number 2 coming up. So Katie has decided to sit this one out. She just wasn't feeling up to the hike, so I've gone ahead so I can scope it all out. I know I'm on the right track because I just spoke to some locals. Very, very friendly, so nice. Always greeting you with a smile, and that's what I'm loving about here. You know, we're just in the rural areas, you run into some locals and they'll just give you a smile. Good morning, how you doing? It's great. really, really helpful, and they've just directed me, well, basically keep on walking. It's another 5 minutes or so, but it's a bit of a trek. It will be okay. Very muggy, very humid. It is only 10:30 in the morning. This is our second fall of the day. Also, not sure how smart it is to be doing this in flip-flops. Who knows what's in these grasses. Hopefully nothing that will cause me too much damage. I hate to have to go to hospital right now from a snake bite or something. And we've made it. Agan Falls. So first proper steps going down. Let's go check it out. Here it is. Got some work going on in the background. Some crazy tree without a branch. Second falls. Second falls. Next fall. Look at that. Pretty nice. Nice, there was some construction work going on in the background, but you can't have everything. So of course, it's 30 pesos entrance fee, and I haven't got any money. Katie's got it. Shame, this looks like quite a nice one swimming, but we'll hike back and we'll go to the next one. This bad boy. So a little tip, if you're coming here, bring money, because it's about a 15-minute walk from the bike parking area. But also I believe there's a sign, if you follow that path up, there's a secret hidden waterfall, which I better go back because Kate's probably waiting, but could be interesting to see. If anyone wants to explore, that's probably a good place to look. And it seems like every waterfall you've got to pay an entrance fee. But that being said, the entrance fee is fairly low. The last one was 25 peso per person, this one was 30, the first one was 30 as well. So it's not a lot of money. And actually, for the waterfalls you go to, if this was in England, God, you'd pay loads more money. So it's definitely worth every penny. And you get nice little views like this on your walk.
We've come here for lunch. We keep seeing them everywhere. Angel's Burger. We've been 24 hours. And we've gone for cheeseburger and a hot dog.
Yeah. It's Rkbackpacking.
Right.
It's not hot dog.
So we have 2 hot dogs and 2
So next waterfall. So we have to go about 4 kilometers off the main road, down a little road through some little town, up a big hill. And we just parked outside a shop because there is no parking anywhere. It's just the road. So we asked if it's okay. They said yeah. And we put a little donation in the box. And then you wander on down. Doesn't appear to be that far. It's only taken us a couple of minutes so far. Here's Katie. This way, Katie. And off we go. Nice one thing about this one is there hasn't been any tour guides around here, so we're free to go on our own, do our own thing, which is much nicer. Had we actually known where we were going on the first one, we probably wouldn't have needed the guide either, but we didn't really know where we were going. Kids with is that a fishing rod? Is it a gun? I think it's a gun. A rifle. Let's go say hello to the kids with a rifle. Oh. Hello. Hello. What is that? Ah, very good. We go up. Got all these little fruits falling out the tree. Watch your heads. Oh, sorry. Whoa! Whoa! You jumping in? You jumping in? Yeah? These little kids are crazy. This kid just ran off here and jumped. I mean, you got to jump quite far from here, look. You got to jump all the way over that. You got like that rock there. What do you think? You can go up more, look. More steps. Oh wow, there's more up here. Go all the way up. Wow. Proper secluded up here. There's like 4 sets of waterfalls up here. It's kind of nice. So just leaving the waterfall now. Hello. And that's a good one because you don't actually have to pay. It's just a donations box for upkeep and stuff. And so we just do the donation in, head down. There's always kids playing, jumping, crazy little kids, but super friendly. And now we're on to the next one, the furthest point away on the island. So we've come to our next fall. It has been chucking it down with rain. We are drenched, but we're 2 hours away from home, so we figure we're already here, why not just carry on, you know, and you know, hopefully it clears up. But this waterfall is called, can't remember, it's this name here, and it is the furthest away from the hotel, so it's like the north point of the island. I think a straight drive is about a 2-hour drive, but we've obviously stopped along the way. So we're gonna go check it out. Maybe not stay too long because it's already 3:15. Again, 30 peso entrance fee. So we're gonna go check it out. It's a little bit chilly. Could do with a mat. Oh yeah. So hopefully there's a bit more water. Hello.
Good day.
Hey. Hello. Hello. So you've got a bit down there which you can't really get to. So all this here. Now all these waterfalls do have little shelters you can sit in if you want. He's a very amused Katie. So we're not the only ones coming to the waterfall in the pissing rain. There's lots of other tourists. But it's weird because this one's so far away from everything.
And one of the busier ones.
And one of the busiest ones we've been to. I don't know if it's just because it's the afternoon. Watch your head. I saw that. Oh, that's what it's called. Can-umantad Falls. Oh, so you got room for those in your bag? Perfecto. Monkey feet. It's not going to slip because you're using your monkey feet. Also, first time using the camera in water without the waterproof case. It is chilly as well. Whoa. We're going in. Refreshing.
Guys, if you walk across the waterfalls, you should do this. Like that. That's called monkey feet, by the way.
It's an impressive fall, it's quite tall.
Yeah, it is quite cool.
You can get under it, so it's a good one to visit.
And only 30 pesos.
And only 30 pesos.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell, this is all downhill by the way. Brakes are on heavy.
Good job we had a lot of rainfall, hey? We've just driven through what I could probably describe as a small lake. It was much deeper than Ryan thought. Our feet got wet. And now we're on a very bumpy gravel track.
Jeez, look at that duck. That's not a duck. It's a turkey. Trying to focus on not falling off.
That's a lovely duck.
Okay. Hello, duck. So that was all we had time for that day. By the time we'd done all those 4 waterfalls and travelled to the other side of the island, had a look around, had to stop for rain, and then travelled back along this terrible dirt path, we didn't have time to actually do any more. So we actually have one more waterfall that we tackled another day coming up next.
This is a baby goat. It's a fucking goat.
It's a fucking goat.
So we've now come to Pangas Falls. Pangas?
Something like that.
Pangadang. I think it's Pangas Falls. It's 30 pesos entry.
We get a shit ton of tickets.
And a dog.
Oh look, you got the shot there. Wow. You jumping in? Hello. Can you jump in from the top? Yeah? It's deep. Slippery, yeah. I just seen someone pull over. If you're in Bohol, Pangas Falls was definitely, without doubt, our absolute favourite waterfall that we came across. Of course, there's probably loads more waterfalls on the island, but this one had everything. It had good swimming, it had good water, it had good jump points, nice waterfalls with little caves you could go in. We just had a really good time. You could have spent a whole day there. And to top it off, it's only about a 30-minute drive from the main city.